Hi guys, I thought I'd just jump on here really quickly and explain that this video was actually filmed on October 31st, so on Halloween. It was a very spontaneous video, very last minute, and I don't know, I really love this video. I love how it turned out. I love everything about it. It was super fun to film. Yes, I realize it's November 15th today. I had every intention on Halloween to get this up November 1st. But I guess life just gets in the way sometimes and you can't always do that sort of stuff. But yeah, I'm sorry about the late video, the late theme of it being Halloween, I guess. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video or enjoy the video. But yeah, have a great day. Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I swear I say that every video I make, which is, I don't really know what that says about me. Today, because it is Halloween, I know I have left this a little bit late. I wanted to make myself a vampire. A lot of you may know this if you're friends or family of mine, but I have an addiction to the Vampire Diaries.
What is wrong with you?
And Twilight movies and anything of the sort. I don't know, I've just been obsessed with them since like I was super young. I have work in a couple hours, so so this is literally coming off, and then I'm going to a Halloween party tonight. So this is like a trial or error run, I guess, to see if it goes well or not. I guess let's just get started. So I'm gonna start with some third degree, and if you guys don't know what third degree is, it's basically just like, I think it's a silicone based product where you just mix A and B together. This is in light. You just mix A and B together, and then it creates a sort of formula that dries on the skin, and you're able to create like special effects looks with it. So I'm gonna be using that. And I've just got some ISO here. I've got my Bluebird Inks palette, which I will be using for blood, and I also have the Ben Nye Thick Blood. I've got some of that. I may be using this. This stuff is like really sticky and like disgusting to get off the skin, so maybe I'll only use that tonight. I don't know, just to like give the full effect. And then I've got some like runny thick blood. It's basically just like runny blood. So I've got some of that. Got the Ben Nye Master Bruise Wheel, which I will be using when it comes to around the eyes, because I wanted to do like the veins. Basically where I got this idea from is that if you guys know this girl called Kelsey, I don't know her last name, but she goes by Father Kels on Instagram, I'm pretty sure. She posted this photo, I will insert it here, of herself, and she became a vampire for Halloween. I was a vampire last year, the year before that, I can't remember. But now that I have some special effects under my belt, I really want to attack this the professional way. So we're going to do that today. We're going to start off with cleaning the area with a little bit of ISO. Well, please don't take off my fake tan. And then I'm going to go in. I'm really nervous for this, guys. I have not done special effects in a hot minute. Yeah, this is exciting. Can you tell I'm nervous? I'm so nervous. Okay, so let's go in. This is just a little bit of A. I don't think I'm gonna need very much. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of B. Kind of the same amount. You want to get it pretty accurate when it comes to like mixing and stuff. And you want to make sure that you really mix it as well as you can. So we're just gonna mix this up. Let's go and make the indentation marks. I'm assuming it'll be about like an inch apart, right? Yeah. From like canine to canine, it's like an inch apart, right?
That is not correct.
Oh my god, I actually like, what the fuck? Oh, no, oh, stop tripping, you bitch. There we go. But yeah, you don't have the most amount of working time. You get about like 5 or 10 minutes before it becomes fully solid. And by that time, you really want to like have all your slits and indentations done. I can tell this is gonna be really bad already. I have never done special effects on myself. I guess we're just gonna see how this goes. Just spread it all out so that it like goes into the skin more. Oh my god, I don't know how to like come from this angle. There we go. I think we're getting somewhere. I don't want to jinx it though. I don't know if you guys are wanting this to be more of like an instructional video or just like of me talking. But I guess you'll get a mix of both, to be quite honest. How do people do this? Alrighty, I think we've got the shape down. I'm just gonna go and dig a hole in it. Does that look realistic? Can you guys see that? I really can barely see what I'm doing. Oh my god, it is taking off my fake tan. No! If you guys don't know what third degree is or how it works, basically I did explain it a little bit in the intro, but you can dissolve it, or another way to say that it comes off, with ISO, or I think it's methylated spirits or something. Isopropyl, can you tell I'm a pro? This little sponge, if you guys don't have one of these, if you're into special effects, go get it. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, basically it's like this little sponge, and it's really good for special effects because you can just go around the outside and make it look a little bit more like skin, instead of it being like smooth silicone. Now we're gonna go in with a triage palette. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna take a little brush that looks like this. It's very small. There we go. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's like very thin. I love this brush for special effects. Sorry, I'm sitting on one of those like yoga balls. But yeah, as I was saying, I really like this brush for special effects just because it really gets in there. We're gonna go in with a little bit of dried blood to start off with. I'm just gonna go in there, and we're just gonna place this inside the slit that we made. Sorry if I'm not talking very much while I'm doing it, just because it's on my neck moves while I talk, so. Should I wear this to work? I'm actually honestly really tempted. I feel like it wouldn't be bad if I did either. Like they'd be like, what's on your neck? And I'd explain it. And I think maybe I'd be awake. Maybe, I don't know.
So I took off the eye makeup that I was wearing. You guys will see at the end what it actually looked like. But I kept the special effects on my neck while I went to work because I realized I wouldn't have time to like reapply it before the party. The entire time I was just getting customers being like, hey, do you know that you've got like blood on your neck? If that was real, how would I not know? It was a strange night. It was fine. But yeah, you guys will see in the end what it actually looks like. And I just don't understand how, if it was real, how I wouldn't know it's there. But yeah, it was fine. It was a good night.
Then I'm just going to go in with a little bit of beetroot in the triage palette, which is just at the top. It's in between a purple and a dark red, so I'm just going to go and place this in the really, really deep parts. Does that look real? Okay, I think it looks half decent. Special effects is very like detail orientated, and it's just that you just have to work in very small sections, and like every little detail counts. Is that good? I don't know if that's good. I honestly newfound appreciation for people that do special effects on themselves. Like, are you serious? I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay, I'm thinking it looks okay from my angle. It may not. We're not 100% sure. But while we have done that, I'm now going to move on to the eyes. So I'm just going to go in with, where has it gone? My bruise wheel. But I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the red one, this like dark red one here on the corner, and just kind of put it along my bottom lash line. I'm going to go into the darker brownish one and just get a little bit on there too, and we're just going to mix them together. I have the perfect shade in the 3B Pure Nude palette. I'm going to use the deep hue, I think, just at the bottoms. So I'm going to bring it out with a winged effect. So I'm just going to be using that same brownie purplish shade mixed with the red on the Ben & I bruise wheel. And I'm just gonna create some veins coming out of my eyes. Are we going okay? I really can't decide if this looks like veins or not. Does this? Hello? They honestly look more like tree branches than they do veins, and that kind of annoys me. So I'm gonna go and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll get back to you guys after I've done that. Okay, so I think we're gonna go in, and I kind of want to do some liquid eyeliner. So just because it's like, vampires are very like feisty, like I feel like it's like bad girl vibes. So I'm gonna go in and use this one. It's by Fenty Beauty. Guys, this is like the best liquid eyeliner ever. I'm not even exaggerating. I used to be obsessed with winged eyeliner. I kind of still am. It's like my alter ego, and this is by far, I've tried so many liquid eyeliners out there, and this is by far the best one that I've ever tried. Also, I feel like this has to be like more purple. I feel like it's very red. Okay, so now that we're done that, we're just gonna clean this makeup brush that I have here that I've been using for the veins, and we're pretty much just gonna go and fill in the blanks. We're just gonna go fill in the blanks and go over the top of the veins we've just made, but I'm gonna go in with a deeper shade in the ink so that it looks more, not urban, that's definitely not the word I'm looking for, more like it's coming out from the skin instead of like it's sitting on top of the skin. I hope that makes sense. Again, using the triage palette because we don't want it to come off during the night. I'm just gonna use a little bit of dried blood and bruise to get this. This is so weird. This is not something that I do every day, so I'm just like very excited. Okay, now onto the fun part. All right, so I'm just now gonna go in with the thick blood. Do you reckon that still looks like a bite mark? Do I need to like, oh, I think it's okay. Okay, let's go in with this thick blood. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with a Q-tip. Fake blood is honestly the worst. Like a lot of people would be like, oh, it's just fake blood, like whatever, but like look, it's not coming out of my brush. Ah. Anyways, I think that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually don't really know what this video was. I just thought that I would practice it, and because I have like under half an hour to do this on my face later tonight. So I thought I would just practice it and video it, I guess. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I really just don't really know what's happening, but I mean, what can you expect? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.